Hi, my name is Israel Bagasho and I'm application scientist here at LI-COR. And in this video, we will take a look at what a setup looks like for a basic or a common application for the LI-850 or LI-830. And we'll use the LI-850 as our demonstration example. One of the common applications for the LI-830, 850 is monitoring the CO2 and water vapor concentration in a greenhouse, for example. This is just a video to show you the typical setup you can use. So we've got the instrument mounted on a mounting structure. We've got the plumbing connected with a filter. So this will be critical once you start sampling any ambient air or any samples that you take. It should be filtered before it gets to the instrument. Otherwise, you'll start having offsets. And this is connected to a sampling point in the air in the room here in the greenhouse. On the exhaust side, I just have a short piece of tubing to avoid back diffusion or airflow from the back side of things. And the pump is turned on, it's sampling. You can see the display here. For data and for power, we're using the power connector here. For data, we're using the voltage output that is typically connected to the PLC or the greenhouse control system. So you can do things like monitor the CO2 reading and open a vent or close a vent or turn a fan on or off based on the levels of CO2 or water vapor in the greenhouse. So those are the different options. You can use the voltage output or you can use the RS-230 output depending on your programmable control system needs. All right, so it's set up, the sampling line is connected, the pump is running, and we can see the readings for CO2 and water vapor here, the bench temperature and pressure. So if you've got it set up in a room where you're monitoring things and you want to take a quick look, you can stop by and notice the readings on the display. As always, you can go to our website. There's instruction manuals and other videos that you can watch. You can also contact us if you have any further questions, or you can contact your local distribution partner.